Imagine a world where the boundaries between imagination and reality become blurred, where artificial intelligence takes us to places we never thought possible. Join us as we explore the amazing outcomes of collaboration between human minds and the power of GPT-4. They built some crazy stuff with GPT-4. Get ready to be captivated by the world expanded by this artificial intelligence. Let's begin. Number 1. Blender X GPT-4.
Have you heard of this amazing project called Blender GPT? I just found out about it through Arya's Twitter thread, and it blew my mind. Arya hooked up GPT-4 to Blender, and zero-shot Blender code generation works surprisingly well out of the box. Can you believe it? And the best part is that Arya is trying to give Blender GPT access to the entire documentation once they get access to the larger 32K context model. But here's the thing. The code generations by GPT-4 are much higher quality than GPT 3.5, ChatGPT, and since GPT-4 is currently only available via the waitlist, the code is designed to roll back to GPT 3.5 if you don't have access to it yet. Just a heads up, Arya has seen multiple ripoffs on Gumroad and Blender Market of their repository. The sellers also go around on Reddit, reposting Arya's video and linking their paywalled page as the source. Arya doesn't want people to waste their money on what is essentially a free add-on. So go ahead and report them, please. Since Arya's tweet has been getting a lot of attention, they feel the need to say this. Blender GPT is by no means a replacement for 3D artists. In fact, Arya created it in an attempt to empower the amateur artist and encourage the novice. Blender's sophisticated UI is what makes it so powerful. But to the untrained eye, that is also what makes it so intimidating. Far too many beginners fail to realize the potential of this wonderful program when faced with its steep learning curve. Blender GPT is a tool that tries to soften that curve. What it is definitely not is a one-click tool for generating 3D scenes. As for the amateur, it becomes the Blender equivalent for GitHub Copilot, something that bridges the gap between the artist's imagination and Blender's core potential. While Arya finds AI-generated art fascinating, it can rob artwork of the artist's intent, which is what makes it so special. Blender GPT will not rob you of your intent. So, if you're an amateur artist looking to explore Blender's capabilities, give Blender GPT a try.
Number 2. Skyroads X GPT-4. Have you ever wondered if GPT-4 can actually make a complex game? Well, I stumbled upon a fascinating Twitter thread that showcases exactly that. Get ready as we dive into the story of someone who created a 3D space runner game from scratch with the help of GPT-4 and a team of AI assistants. Prepare to have your mind blown. The person behind this project was inspired by the classic MS-DOS game, Skyroads, and wanted to see if GPT-4 could help recreate it. They had no knowledge of 3D game programming, but GPT-4 proved to be an invaluable resource. From selecting the right tools like Babylon.js, HTML, and CSS, to fixing spaceship movements and camera angles, GPT-4 was with them every step of the way. And when they hit a tough bug, they even enlisted the help of Gentropic AI's Claude to crack it. They found their spaceship model on at Sketchfab, sourced backgrounds and textures from Midjourney, and added epic music and sound effects from @Epidemic Sound. With each step, GPT-4 provided the necessary guidance. The end result? A fully functional 3D space runner game built with the power of AI and zero programming knowledge. And the best part? You can play it too. So, are you ready to put your skills to the test? Click the link below to try the game for yourself, share your score, and don't forget to ask any questions you might have. This amazing story is a testament to the incredible potential of AI in game development. Until next time, happy gaming. Number 3. App X GPT-4. What if I told you that you could create an entire app from scratch with the help of GPT-4 in just minutes? Prepare for an eye-opening journey as we explore a Twitter thread that reveals how someone did just that and successfully launched their app on the store. Are you ready to witness the future of app development? This incredible adventure began with a simple request to GPT-4 to build a complete app from scratch. And guess what? The first version was created in just 5 minutes, but that's not all. GPT-4 and Midjourney worked together on the app's icon and splash screen background, creating a visually appealing design. GPT-4 even helped analyze the benefits and selling points to craft the perfect promotional text for the App Store. The app received positive feedback, and the first review is already in. It's truly amazing how GPT-4 managed to create a functional app so quickly. But wait, there's more. We'll be sharing the app's download and retention numbers once they're updated in App Store Connect. Plus, there's an unedited screencast available that shows how a simple to-do app was built in just 8 minutes with GPT-4's help. It's truly mind-blowing. To learn more about this fascinating project, keep an eye on the creator's Substack page where they might delve deeper into the topic. If you have any questions or are curious about specific aspects, don't hesitate to ask. This groundbreaking story is just the beginning of what AI can do in the world of app development. Until next time, stay curious. Number 4. Arcade Game X GPT-4. What if I told you that you could play any arcade game you can think of, instantly created for you by an AI? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, guess what? The future is now. In today's video, we're unveiling the game changer in the world of arcade gaming, the Infinite Arcade. Prepare to have your mind blown. Part 1. The Revelation. A Twitter user made a shocking announcement last night, claiming to have created a website that uses GPT-4, the cutting-edge AI, to code any arcade game you can think of and let you play it instantly. The catch? They'll only publish the site if people like it. So, what's the story behind this game changer, and why is it causing such a stir? Part 2. The Launch and Initial Challenges. The announcement quickly went viral, and the creator promised to launch the website within a day or two. While the site went live 3 weeks ago, it faced some hiccups. It only produced a good game 60% of the time, and left some playtesters annoyed. But the creator didn't give up. They set their sights on improving the success rate to 95%. Part 3. The Unexpected Discovery. But hold on, folks. It doesn't end there. While working on perfecting the website, the creator stumbled upon something much bigger than arcade games. A revelation about AI that could change everything. And now they're planning to launch that first. So what is this mind-blowing discovery? And how will it impact the future of gaming and AI? Are you curious yet? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of the Infinite Arcade and unravel the mystery behind this groundbreaking AI revelation. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on this incredible journey. Let the games begin. Number 5. GPT-4. Warren Buffett financial analyst to chat. What if you could chat with the legendary investor Warren Buffett to analyze thousands of pages of financial reports all at the speed of light? Sounds too good to be true? Well, the future is now, and we're about to blow your mind. Part 1. The creation of Warren Buffett. A Twitter user recently revealed that they've built a GPT-4 Warren Buffett financial analyst to chat with and analyze around 1,000 pages of Tesla's 10K annual reports from 2020 to 2022. This innovative AI is powered by LangChain AI, Pinecone, and OpenAI. But how exactly does it work? And what insights can it provide? Part 2. The tutorial and GitHub repo. If you're curious to see this AI Warren Buffett in action, there's a tutorial video available on YouTube showing the step-by-step process. You can even find the original template used for the demo, adapted for this use case, on GitHub. But we'll also dive into the fascinating details right here, so buckle up. Part 3. The Architecture and Upcoming Program. The creator of AI Warren Buffett has also shared a visual diagram of the PDF chatbot architecture, giving us a glimpse into the inner workings of this game-changing technology. But wait, there's more. If you want to learn how to build a chatbot like this for your data, you can join the waitlist for an upcoming program that offers a comprehensive, step-by-step beginner's guide. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Tesla's financial reports with AI Warren Buffett? Stay tuned as we explore this groundbreaking innovation and its potential impact on the world of finance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss a beat of this revolutionary journey. Let's chat our way to financial success. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey, exploring the world expanded by the power of GPT-4. We hope you're inspired by all the crazy and amazing things that have been built using GPT-4 and excited to see what the future holds. Don't miss upcoming episodes of They Built Some Crazy Stuff with GPT-4 for even more world-changing and imagination-provoking projects. See you in the next episode. And remember that in the world of GPT-4, anything can happen.